All right, y'all. Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. So again, one of the books that I'm reading through, talking about 2-second lean. We're talking about ways to simplify processes. Right now, one of the things that stinks in here is our stuff just gets thrown underneath here. We got all kinds of random fittings. This is one of our blowout plugs. We've got another wrench sitting there. And what happens is these all get rusty over time pretty quickly. We've got guns and other stuff jammed underneath there. Just no good. So, solution. We're going to go ahead and put one. I'm going to end up putting one or two down here that'll have O-rings for this, which was something that I kept seeing water was leaking everywhere. That's no good. So we'll have thing for O-rings, and I'm also going to put something so that all of our wrenches can be up, mounted, so they're not getting dripped on if this has a leak, or if that's just leaking water, or if there's bleach on the ground, or whatever else. Keep it dry. And yeah, so I'm going to hang it up there. So just take it through here. We'll mount it, and that's it. And actually, I'll probably go ahead and put them right here at this height. This is our bleach lines. We just got to make sure it doesn't puncture through any of this. But just need something so that I can actually hang the screws and stuff onto. So now our guns are being hung up, and we've got that one wrench. We'll put two others on there, so they're big enough to take anything off that we need to, adjusting any of these pieces and whatnot. So make sure that's good to go. Just something really simple and basic, but it makes an improvement. Helps us to be more efficient. And this will also give my guys a quick way to be like, okay, yes, we've got our 2 or 3 guns that we're supposed to have on here, so we're good to go.